Is that? Ooh, this looks familiar. Hello and welcome back to my channel, guys. So real quick before we start this video, for those of you who may not already know, I am in my first ever musical. I am in The Little Mermaid and we open this Saturday the 23rd of November and I am so excited. I am playing 3 characters, Mersister Alana, who is a sister to Ariel, a sea creature, and a princess. I'll be performing at Yorktown Stage in Yorktown Heights, New York, but if you guys want to come see the show, I will leave a link below so you can get your tickets online. Our first show is November 23rd and our last show is December 1st. So for today's video, I have partnered with Fabfitfun to showcase their winter box. Now, disclaimer, I am not a paying subscriber. I did not pay for this box. They sent it to me for free, so thank you very much. And they are also not paying me for this video, so all opinions, etc. enclosed within this, contained, are all my own. This is the first box I've ever received from Fabfitfun, so I'm excited to see what's inside, so let's get into this video. So these boxes come out 4 times a year, 1 for each season, and we are now in winter. Sadly, I don't like the cold. So this is the winter box. And most of the companies included in the box are founded by women, so women power, yeah. I have no muscles. I also like that you can customize a lot of the items in your box, so you can pick and choose what you get to make it more of a custom experience. Each box also raises money for charities. So this is the winter box. I think it's really cool with the pink and the blue. It's very aesthetically pleasing. And each box is $49.99, but the entire contents is over $200, which is kind of crazy. And if you guys want to try it out for yourselves, you can use my code VESSEL10 to get you $10 off your first box. So let's jump into the box, shall we? I kind of wish it was big enough for me to jump into, to be honest. That would be pretty fun. Oh. And this is what it looks like on the inside. We have a magazine here. I didn't know Fabfitfun has their own magazine. That's cool. Maria Shriver. Hello, Maria. How you do? So inside the magazine kind of details all the things you would get in your box, depending on your customization. So it gives you the price points, what it does, what they are. I also like that they include very appropriate winter recipes, and one of them is gluten-free, which is very exciting for me because, as you guys know, I have celiacs. So that's the first thing in the box. Next, it looks like there's a bunch of little gift cards in here, which is really fun. Now the first one is for exclusive for Fabfitfun, Sterling Forever $30 gift card plus free sterling silver studs. That's awesome. So this is a $30 gift card for some jewelry. Fantastic. For the company Sterling Forever. Then we have HelloFresh $90 gift card. That's fun. So I remember when I first started dating my boyfriend and I didn't know what to get him for Christmas. So I got him a HelloFresh box. I think I got him 3 boxes actually. So HelloFresh, I can vouch for that as a really good meal kit. And the food was very tasty. I know what this is. So this is a little example of what the Purple mattress is like. For those of you who don't know, Purple makes pillows, mattresses, and this is what it looks like on the inside. It's very squishy. Wow, this is $100 off any Purple mattress. That's awesome. My boyfriend actually has a Purple pillow and it is very, very comfortable. Highly recommend. So that was all the stuff on top. Now we have the actual box. Rip this open. Fun, a lot of pink. First thing that pops out to me is this Bando Bluetooth shower speaker. I love that. When I was in college, I would always bring my iPod or my phone with me in the shower to listen to music, so this would have come quite in handy. Pop this open and see what it looks like. Okay, she's cute. I will say, I am not a huge pink person when it comes to accessories, so I would have loved this if this was black or blue, but it is very pretty and the flowers on the front are gorgeous. But I always listen to music when I'm in the shower, so this will come in handy. And it also comes with a cute little matching USB cable. I'm always curious when it comes to electronics if they're already charged when they come in the box. And this one is, the light just lit up. This one is already charged, which is fantastic. So you can use it straight out of the box. And this is water resistant and this is $30. Next up, let's see, I'm gonna pick something that's not pink in the box. This is the Jonathan Adler. This is huge, by the way. You guys see this? The Jonathan Adler Fleur de Sel, I'm probably mispronouncing that horribly, scented candle. I love how it says bougie parfum. It's bougie, guys. I love candles. I will go into a store like Bath & Body Works and just go down the line and smell each and every candle. Oh my gosh, this is so fancy. It comes in a ceramic container. Fancy, fancy. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is bougie. I think that's ceramic. Are you ceramic? It does not say. Ooh, that has a very clean, light, just very classy scent to it. I like it. I could see putting this in like my bathroom just for ambiance, have a nice clean scent. Very, very fancy. And I like that it comes in a ceramic container too. Gonna be bougie in my bathroom, that's for sure. So I'm reading the description that says, notes of an aquatic breeze, marine salt, orange blossom, mimosa, and driftwood. Wow, $48 for that. And I'm gonna be writing down the prices of everything as we go through so I can see how much this box is actually worth. Next up is the, ooh, I've heard of this. I've never tried it though, the makeup eraser. That's fun. The original pink makeup eraser, erase all makeup with just water. Really? Antibacterial, reusable, lasts 3 to 5 years, great for sensitive skin and saves money. Oh, fascinating. Now I was reading some reviews and I've heard that it's best to use this completely wet, not damp. So at the end of the video, I will use this to see if I can take off my liquid lipstick. Bye bye makeup wipes forever. That's quite the claim. I love my makeup wipes. Ooh, you can machine wash this. That's awesome. Sweet. Machine wash hot with your towel load. I like that this is double-sided. It says use the short fiber side to erase makeup in gentle circular motions, and flip to the long fiber side with the tag, in case you couldn't tell, to exfoliate. Ooh. I love exfoliating. So let's see. Oh, this is so soft. Wow. Oh, cute. So this is the longer fiber side, and then this is the shorter one. Just looking at this, because I've never tried it before, I have my doubts that this will be able to take off my liquid lipstick, because this stuff is hard to get off, but I'm excited to try this later. And the makeup eraser is $20. Next we have this Couture Semitology Yoga. Calm and clean Epsom salt hand and body wash. Ooh, Epsom salt is awesome. And this has lavender oil in it. Oh, I love the smell of lavender. It's very relaxing. Ooh, that smells really nice. Definitely a lot of lavender in there. I'm a fan. I'm always looking for new body washes for the shower, so I'm very excited to try this. This is $39.95. Ooh, this looks familiar. This is a, excuse me. This is a Color Switch Instant Brush Cleaner. I have one of these. I love it because I do not wash my brushes every time I use them, which you're supposed to. What this does, so say you have an eyeshadow brush that has color on it from a previous makeup application, you can put that in this, swirl it around, and it will take off the eyeshadow so you can use it again with a completely different color. I love this. It's fantastic. Highly recommend. Come forth. I love that this is a beautiful royal purple too. And this is perfect for travel because you can just put the lid on, put it in your purse, and go. And basically what this is just a sponge in a tin. Now I will say, I have found these online for cheaper. This one is $16.99 and it says easily switch between your favorite shades while applying makeup with this instant brush cleaner. No water or liquids required. That is very true. But I have found this for $2, so just saying. $16.99 I feel like is a bit much to pay for a sponge in a can, but it is cool that they included this in the box. Alright, what's next? Ooh. This is the Soft Focus Glow Drops from Radial, the Illuminating Ultimate Glow Primer. I've never gone for glowy skin, but this makes me want to try it. It sounds fun. Use before makeup as the ultimate illuminating primer or use on its own for a dewy complexion. Shake well before use. Ooh, I love anything with a dropper. It's just so aesthetically pleasing to me. I don't know what it is. Oh wow, that smells like really fresh and citrusy. I'm gonna try it on the back of my hand. Don't mind the red stain on the back of my hand. I was just testing some other makeup earlier. Oh wow, that is really, really pretty. It's like a gel-like consistency. I think they're right, 2 drops is all you need because this is a lot. I definitely used way too much. I'm just gonna put it on my other hand. Fascinating. It definitely gives a soft, natural looking, like hydrated, moisturized glow to your skin. It smells really nice and my skin feels really soft now on the back of my hands, so I like it. I can't wait to use that as a primer. Maybe I'll use that tonight for my makeup. This is $55. So basically you can either buy this or the whole box with everything in it for almost the same price. That's crazy. I believe we are down to the last 2 things in the box. Next is this Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler by Drybar. Protects up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Holy crap, that's awesome. I rarely use heat on my hair. I try to let it dry naturally. Obviously this is not my real hair, this is a wig. But for my real hair I just let it dry on its own, but the next time I straighten it I might have to try this out. This sounds awesome. And because I have super curly hair, anything that detangles I am a fan. You are? $23. This lightweight detangler uses biotin, vitamins B and C, and sea berry oil. I have never heard of a sea berry. To protect hair against heat and leave hair soft and conditioned. Well, I shall have to try it. Last but not least is this Beauty Bakery palette. I did not know Beauty Bakery made eyeshadow palettes. Cool! Proof is in the pudding. That's adorable. Eyeshadow palette. And this is the packaging. It's got a beautiful little illustration of a pudding. And now I want pudding. Oh, this is cute. So this is what the inside looks like. So this palette has mattes, shimmers, and more. This is for the sweethearts who need that final push to finally be who they believe they can be and do the very thing they were afraid of. Aw, that's so sweet. It's a little note from the CEO of Beauty Bakery on the back. This is a very pretty palette, but I will say I feel like I already do have all of the shades in the palette just because I have a lot of neutral shades and a lot of browns. But if you don't have a neutral palette or any of these colors, this is definitely perfect for doing an everyday look if you like more toned down, neutral makeup. And it also has some shimmers in there, so you can spice it up a little bit if you will. I really want to see this shade Almond Jelly. This looks really pretty. This one over here. Ooh, okay. Oh wow, that's really, really pretty. It's a beautiful metallic rusty orange. Let me try one of the mattes. I'm going to try Mango Pudding. I'm always drawn to orange shades because I love fall. So let's see. It's not showing up as much as I'd hoped. There's a matte shade and a shimmer. I love that shimmer shade. That is absolutely gorgeous. So matte not showing up as well as I would like, but it is hard to tell from an arm swatch how they would do on your eyes. So it says this palette is hard pressed for minimal fallout, which is definitely true. I do not see any fallout whatsoever. And this palette is $38. So now that we've gone through all of the items in the box, I just want to quickly calculate and see how much the total value of it is. So I just put together all of the prices of everything in this box, and the total value is $270.94. And you're getting all of that for $49.99, which is crazy. So in terms of value, you are definitely getting your money's worth when it comes to this box. So now I'm going to put this makeup eraser to the test because I'm very, very curious. I'm going to use the short-haired side without the tag to see if this will take off my liquid lipstick. I'm going to go wet this and I'll be right back. So I just made sure that the top of this is completely soaked. As you can see, I just wet this part of it, so that's all I'm going to use. See how this baby does. Not bad. It's not coming off as quickly as I would like, but it is definitely coming off. Not bad. I saturated it with some more water just to make it even more wet, and that seems to help. Let's try the top lip now. Wow. So it got off all of my lipstick. The one thing that I don't like is that I feel like I have to tug and pull at my face a lot in order to get everything off. And with my traditional makeup wipes, I don't have to pull and tug quite as hard. So that's the only thing I don't like about this. It did get everything off, which is pretty impressive. But I wish I didn't have to pull and tug at my face so hard in order to get the makeup off. I am curious to see how this will work on eyeliner, so I'm going to try that next. Oh wow. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it just wiped right off. Wow. That's really cool. So maybe this would be better just for eye makeup because I'm not having to rub quite as hard. Literally took off all my mascara and my eyeliner really quickly. That's crazy. Okay, I'm gonna try this one. Wow, that's insane. Wow, I am very impressed by how quickly and efficiently it took off all my eyeliner and my mascara. Wow, I think this is definitely better for eye makeup than it may be for, say, a long-lasting liquid lipstick. It does obviously get it all off, but it is a lot harsher on the skin. Whereas with the eyes, I was able to just literally just gently wipe and the eyeliner was gone. That's crazy. And it took off all my mascara too, which is awesome. So this is great for eye makeup, that's for sure. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. And I will see you in my next video. Hopefully I'll see you at the show on Saturday. Bye!